working. I think the naysayers, Mr. Speaker, have now changed tune, that it is working but not effective. But we are doing very well, Mr. Speaker. Everything has a challenge. And I want to thank the Kikuyu artists, Mr. Speaker. I saw the other day, they were with the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and they have confirmed, Abkai Kolu Karangu Muraya said that SHA is working. I want to ask the former Deputy President to stop profiling Kikuyu musicians, Mr. Speaker, for saying SHA is working. If it is working, Mr. Speaker, they should look for other things to fight the government for. There are many 1,000 and things, but because of bitterness and hatred, Mr. Speaker, they will never succeed. Mr. Speaker, finally, on the issue of UHC, we want to say that our staff, we want to ask the Ministry of Health, the National Assembly and the Senate, Mr. Speaker, the unions of health practitioners, Mr. Speaker, to come to the table. Let us ensure there is a proper transition of UHC to permanent and pensionable, and ensure that they pay gratuity, Mr. Speaker. We are tired, Mr. Speaker. We can't concentrate. There is a lot of noise of everyday UHC staff demonstrating. Mr. Speaker, and I hope by the end of this, with your intelligence understanding, order number 1, you need to direct the Health Committee to give us progress report on the ongoing UHC strike. Mr. Speaker, thank you for that intelligence. I thank you.
Senator Esi or Kenyuri.